He was Sinatra's right-hand man. He was there at CBGB's in '77, Sunset Strip in '81, and he's still going strong today. His name is Jack.
That Devi project, it's not about a religious god. It's all about the woman power, because I feel women should empower, by themselves, with their knowledge, with their physical ability. And I feel that goddess form, that Durga itself, it's a very motherly, and yet she can protect herself. So that power is dragged towards that Devi project. I spent my childhood in a very small town called Nalhati. Suddenly I got an opportunity to showcase my work. So I feel, okay, let's put some painting. That time I haven't started my sculpture. So then when I just landed to Calcutta, immediately I went to Birla Academy. Then I have seen the gallery 10 times bigger than my expectation. So then I'm staying really far from Calcutta. So I just go back to home. I was crying, like, how to complete the whole gallery. I have to fulfill the gallery, otherwise it will look very, very empty. So, that night, because we have automobile business and something, so most of the things are lying down. I was lying down on my, in front of my bedroom. So something was there. I make out, so I can make some mask out of that. So then I called our electrician, then we worked up all over night we worked, and in the morning we got 10 masks. So that was my starting point under pressure. People are talking about my materials, so it's very, very interesting subject. But to me, metal is my life, so I can't find out really interesting. Now it's a part of my life. So I prefer to talk about my work, because so many sketches, so many forms I had in my mind, and through scraps, to execute through scrap, it was a nightmare. Last 10 years I struggled with scrap, and then the scrap become my friend. For Devi project, I'm working last 6 years. I went to Rajasthan, I went to Kerala. I have gone all parts of India to source my materials, That show is all about to tribute to our craftsmanship. That is a fiberglass, but initially I have done with hair structure. So later on I casted in the fiberglass. So that is a basic form of Saraswati and Lakshmi. I feel, music is in everybody's life. Fine art is not on that level. Only the curator, galleries, and those people are art lovers. They come to gallery and they experience the superior feelings or the special feelings of fine art. I want to connect with my root level people with the simplicity, because their person is very simple. So that is my main motto, to drag the whole creativity out of the gallery. So that is my first project, where I am showcasing Devi, where people can easily connect with that form. For my next project, I'm doing two things, I'm working form to formlessness. Obviously that will be an Indian form in a very contemporary way, and it will not a sculpture or painting exhibition. It will something different kind of experience altogether I'm going to showcase. So these two projects I'm concentrating.